Hey guys, it's Tatiana with GuruNanda, and I'm giving you 3 easy natural cooling sprays just for summer. First, I like to call this one the Relax and Chill Spray. What you have to do is get 1 spray bottle, fill it almost to the top with distilled water. Get about 5 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 drop of peppermint. Ooh, that's a lot. 1 drop of peppermint. Put the top on. Shake, 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 shake. And then spray it all over. Next, for a super refreshing spray, all you have to do is, again, get another spray bottle, fill it almost to the top with distilled water, and do 15 drops of peppermint essential oil. The cap back on. Shake it up, and this one's even more refreshing than the first. Now, the perfect cooling spray for your face requires 0 blending. All you have to do is get GuruNanda's 100% pure and natural rose water, get your portable misty, open it up, fill it up with the rose water to as much as you like, put the top back on, and then spray your face for 1 minute straight. The best part about it is that it doesn't even mess up your makeup. For more easy DIY recipes like this, be sure to tune in to GuruNanda on Amazon Live every week. See you guys soon.